First, take 2 fresh cucumbers and wash them thoroughly before slicing them into small pieces and adding them into the blender. Cucumbers are made up of more than 90% water, making them one of the most hydrating vegetables you can add to a detox drink. They help your body stay cool, refreshed, and hydrated while naturally flushing out excess toxins and sodium that can cause bloating and stomach swelling. Because of their high water content, cucumbers support smoother digestion and help your stomach feel lighter, cleaner, and less uncomfortable throughout the day. Cucumbers are also packed with antioxidants, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, nutrients that are known to support heart health and improve blood circulation naturally. Potassium especially helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels by balancing sodium inside the body, which is very important for keeping the heart functioning properly. Their anti-inflammatory properties can also help calm the body from the inside and reduce water retention, which is one of the main causes of bloating. Another reason cucumbers are perfect for this detox drink is their cooling and soothing effect. They make the drink feel fresh, light, and incredibly refreshing with every sip, especially when blended with strawberries and water. Next, add 400 grams of fresh strawberries into the blender. Strawberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and natural plant compounds that make them incredibly beneficial for both heart health and overall wellness. They are especially rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, and support healthy skin from the inside out. Their bright red color comes from antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are known to support healthy blood circulation and help protect the heart naturally. Strawberries are also excellent for reducing inflammation inside the body, which can help your stomach feel calmer and less swollen. Because they contain both water and fiber, they support smoother digestion and help reduce bloating by keeping the digestive system moving properly. Their natural fiber can also help your body feel lighter and more satisfied without adding unnecessary calories, making this detox drink refreshing and healthy at the same time. Another reason strawberries are perfect for this detox drink is their naturally sweet and juicy flavor. They add a fresh, fruity taste without needing added sugar, making the drink taste delicious while still staying healthy and clean. Finally, pour in 300 grams of water to blend everything together smoothly. Water helps hydrate your body, flush out toxins, and carry nutrients properly through your system. It also supports digestion and helps reduce stomach bloating by keeping your body balanced and refreshed. As everything blends together, the water creates a light and smooth detox drink that is refreshing, heart-friendly, and perfect for helping your stomach feel lighter.
Today we're making a simple and refreshing healthy drink using 1 fresh orange, 1 carrot, and water. First, we peel the orange and cut it into smaller pieces for easier blending. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, one of the most important vitamins for supporting the immune system and helping the body protect itself from everyday stress and fatigue. They are also rich in antioxidants that help fight harmful free radicals in the body. The natural citrus compounds found in oranges may help the body feel more refreshed and energized, while the fresh, fruity flavor gives the drink a naturally sweet taste without needing added sugar. Oranges also contain potassium and hydration-supporting nutrients that can help the body maintain balance throughout the day. In addition, oranges contain natural fiber and plant compounds that may support healthy digestion and overall wellness. Their high water content can also help the body stay hydrated, especially during hot days or after physical activity. Many people enjoy oranges because they provide a fresh burst of energy without artificial ingredients or processed sugar. Next, we wash and slice the carrot into smaller pieces. Carrots are well known for being rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient plays an important role in supporting healthy eyesight, skin health, and the immune system. Carrots also contain antioxidants and natural plant compounds that support overall wellness and help the body stay active and healthy. The fiber found in carrots may help support digestion and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Their natural sweetness also balances perfectly with the fresh citrus flavor of the orange. Then we add water to bring everything together. Water is essential for nearly every function in the body, from supporting circulation and digestion to helping maintain energy and focus. Proper hydration may also help the body naturally reduce excess fluid retention and support a lighter, fresher feeling. Adding water keeps the drink smooth, refreshing, and easy to blend without becoming too thick.
Today we're making a fresh apple and carrot drink step by step. First, chop one fresh apple into small pieces. Apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that may help support heart health, improve digestion, and give the body natural energy. They can also help you feel refreshed and hydrated throughout the day. Now slice the carrots into smaller chunks. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A. They may help support healthy vision, glowing skin, and a stronger immune system. Carrots also contain antioxidants that can help protect the body from harmful cell damage. Add everything into the blender and blend until smooth and creamy. This colorful homemade drink is naturally sweet, refreshing, and full of nutrients your body can enjoy every day. First, we add fresh apple into the blender. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants that may help support digestion, heart health, and natural energy levels. Next, add chopped carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene and vitamin A, which may help support healthy vision, glowing skin, and a stronger immune system. Now pour in some water and blend everything until smooth and creamy. This refreshing homemade drink is full of vitamins and nutrients that can help hydrate the body, support metabolism, and keep you feeling fresh and energized throughout the day.
First, we're adding apple into the blender. Apples are one of the most powerful everyday fruits for the human body. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants. Next, we're adding kiwi. Kiwi may look small, but nutritionally, it's one of the strongest fruits you can eat. Now we're adding parsley. Most people think parsley is just decoration on a plate, but nutritionally, it's incredibly powerful. This herb is packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support the body in multiple ways. Finally, we're adding lemon. Lemon brings far more than just flavor to this smoothie. It's one of the most refreshing and nutrient-rich citrus fruits you can use. Now we add 200 grams of water to bring everything together. Water might seem simple, but every single system in the human body depends on it. Your brain, muscles, blood circulation, digestion, temperature regulation all rely on proper hydration. This smoothie is a combination of hydration, natural vitamins, fiber, and antioxidant-rich ingredients working together in one drink. Instead of giving your body processed sugar or artificial energy, it delivers nutrients from real whole foods. The apple helps provide steady natural energy and fiber that supports healthy digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Kiwi brings an intense concentration of vitamin C, antioxidants, and enzymes that may support immunity, skin health, and recovery. Parsley adds powerful plant nutrients, vitamin K, chlorophyll, and antioxidants that support overall body function and freshness. Lemon helps brighten the flavor while supporting hydration and digestion with its natural citrus compounds. And the water helps your body absorb and circulate these nutrients efficiently. Because this smoothie is rich in water and fiber, it may also help you feel refreshed and hydrated without feeling heavy. Many people use drinks like this as part of a healthy morning routine, post-workout refreshment, or clean snack option during the day. Another benefit is that the smoothie contains a wide variety of natural micronutrients while remaining relatively low in calories. That means your body receives useful nutrition without excessive processed ingredients or added sugars. Of course, no single smoothie is a miracle solution, but consistently choosing nutrient-dense foods like these can support better energy, digestion, hydration, and overall wellness over time. Simple ingredients, smart nutrition, real benefits.